Hi everybody, it's Kevin at Bear Creek. Today what we're going to do is take a look and give an update on my queen introduction. First one up is going to be the laying worker hive. I already know how that one ended, so I just wanted to share that with you because I was in here yesterday. The other ones I know took, and I've got a third one that I have to actually check and see if she was released. Looks like we got a little bit. It's Saturday afternoon, July, I don't know, 26th, somewhere around there, 27th. And looks like we got a little bit of an orientation flight. Bees are kind of going a little crazy out here, which is nice to see. Busy, coming in, going out, bringing in pollen, nectar, all that good stuff. Got to reach in here and turn off the... There's a nice honey colony right there. Lots of activity, which is really good to see. Hopefully they're up there and those honey supers I added, making me some honey. Same with that one there. And same with that one there. Lots of activity out front. Good. Okay, now just a couple of things. Since I was here last, since I introduced that mated queen to a laying worker colony. This is it right here. I was in here yesterday. I did find the queen. She did survive. But there's probably half the bees that it started with, which kind of is expected since I shook most of them out, and many of them begged into that hive, I think. And the second thing was that since there was only half the bees in there, I took a story off because there just wasn't enough bees to fill two 5-frame boxes. So let's go in here. I want to take a look and I want to see if she's started laying yet, because as of yesterday or the day before yesterday, I can't really remember the day I was in here, I really didn't see anything. In this colony actually makes these frames in here very, very tight. Makes it a little harder to pull them out. But this frame right here is actually the drone booth frame from the laying workers. Sort of see that if you want. Not much else in there. there she is. Jeez. Wow. There she is. Wow, is she a... She is a... Oh, yep, she keeps... Yep, she's a shy one. There she is. Yep, she keeps going back and forth. There she is. Okay. Wow, that was the first frame I pulled out. And maybe you can see her there on the bottom of the frame. There she is going up on the other side again. So I'm going to get her back in. Just wanted to prove to you that you can install a mated queen in a laying worker colony successfully and fairly easily. Okay, let's get this back together. She was just a shy girl. And it was on the first frame that I pulled. She just kept going on the other side, the dark side. Okay. Okay. Now this colony here, there was, if you, I don't know if you remember when I checked it after about day 3, there was bees all over the cage. They hadn't quite released her yet, but I let them continue, and I didn't do a free release on her like I did the other ones. So I'm gonna just make sure that she indeed has been released. And honestly, if she hasn't been released, she's probably dead because it's been a long time. I'm gonna give them a puff of smoke, let them know I'm coming. Stay here, buddy. And the good news is I installed it on the upper one on purpose so that I could know, so that I didn't have to go digging and remove box to release her. Going to make sure that she's not on this frame when I lay it down. Nice nectar on here. Lots of nectar up here. Good. Okay, let's take a look and see what we can see. Yep, she's definitely been released. Everything's all chewed out. This is breeder queen 75 in this colony, and I'm actually saying that so I can go back and put that in my records. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in this colony. I'm going to take a look and see if she's been doing anything. What in the hell is that thing? Look at that, I got a bumblebee in there. You see that? A dead one, but a bumblebee. Whoa. Big old boy. Made it in the colony. That's all pollen there and nectar. Not really sure what that's about. $10 she's on this frame. Yeesh. Well, she's not on this frame, that's for sure. There are eggs in some cells here. But they didn't leave her a whole lot of room. Yeah, she's got eggs in some cells here. Crazy the way they drew that comb out. Well, she's got to be here, right? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I'm not doing well with the queens today. Jiminy Christmas. Yeah, this is all full of eggs right here. Boy, I would have bet money that she was on this frame. Don't know where she is. Nothing in here. Oy. This was a virgin queen introduction right here, this colony. I hope you can see this. This was my swarm hive that came without a queen. So I want to see if my virgin that I released in it took. Let me ask you, what do you think? Did it take? Hell yeah, it took. Very nice. I got eggs in the... Yep, I got eggs in the drone brood too, or drone cells that they created here. Look at that, half of it is worker, half of it is drone. That's pretty cool. Actually not half, but this section right here is all drone brood. And then this is all worker brood and honey. Pretty neat to watch them do stuff like that. That's laid up. That side's laid up, I think. Let's see. I think this is going to be a good queen for me right here. Yep, she's got all this all laid up. Larvae in there. Eggs and larvae in there, good. Nice queen, nice queen. Take a look here. Thought I saw some cat brood here, but maybe not. Yeah, I did. Oh, frickin' A. I'd say that this virgin is doing very, very, very well. What do you think? She's not a virgin. Okay, let's put this together and let them do their thing. This was a carniolan that I installed in here from my bee club. The queen was a artificially inseminated queen. The grafting queen was an artificially inseminating queen that came from New River honeybee, actually, for this colony. So Jason Bragg over at New River honeybee produced the artificially inseminated queen that my club bought. My club grafted off of it, and I had it mated here out in this yard, and that was the result. Not too bad. Well done, Jason.